Verydarkman no like Harrison. Verydarkman is jealous of Harrison. Verydarkman wants to stand alone. Verydarkman wants to pull everybody down. Verydarkman this, Verydarkman that. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem for this country? Una go leave the real matter. Come dey talk another thing. Come dey divert people's attention. Wetin concern Verydarkman with what is happening to Harrison? Na Verydarkman call the people, make dem call Harrison to come and help them. Na Verydarkman give Harrison money. Na Verydarkman ask Harrison the way he want to do his things, wey result to where he is now. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? I just hope Harrison come out from this, because some of una no understand what is going on. One day, if people know people a social media commentator, you don't know what is happening. You don't know what is going on. Do you understand me? Once you are a public figure and you don't handle people's money, you need to be extra careful and vigilant and be transparent. Any of your move, the people involved, you're supposed to negotiate with them details on certain things, even though if you don't talk everything, but at least in that issue regarding money, you go tell them, oh, now so I won't handle this issue. May we see how things go. If to say Harrison talk to these people, tell them, say, oh, this money we wanna bring, this is my strategy, this is how I roll. I will not give these people so money. Now from this money I take to follow them up and track them and so on and so forth. Because Harrison may have a good intention, but the issue here is that Harrison did not tell these people what is going on. Here our public fund can you're supposed to be very careful. Now unu alapugo the issue kita na ekwu Verydarkman this, Verydarkman that. E post bụ maka Harrison ebe a, some of unu bido with emotion oge na-akọgheri. Kedu ife nji wee post ye na mpụtara na esi fụ ebe a na-abụkasị Harrison and say, what is going on? Harrison kwa. Go down to this my video. You ga-afụ ebe m praise this Harrison na-afụ. That I'm happy that he is doing better today. A lot of us who wait on this social media know what's up. A lot of us who wait on this media, even including that he has a rebel now, where they always they praise. If they think say that he has a rebel, that content creator way they see every day and a better person. Some of them matter they some weightable. They just pipe row. They agree with the condition where they give them. They pay slow. Do you understand? You see the social media, so many of you don't understand what they go on. A lot of people are spending money to gather information on daily basis, especially some bloggers. Do you understand what I'm saying? So some way they hear some matter like this, listen, pay attention and know the details and what is really happening. You see mock news, this mock news where they see. Mock news will get agent for Nigeria, if not almost every state. And outside Nigeria, if you don't know. If you don't know this one, know it. I'm telling you what I'm sure of. That mock news will not see. You can't be say Verydarkman. How many things you don't hear from Verydarkman mouth will be saying na lie? When I say they drag people, if the person need the drag, do the right thing. Why would Verydarkman drag the person? If you are doing the right thing, Verydarkman will not drag you. Verydarkman will don't have any business with you. One thing I like about Verydarkman is this. Any opportunity where this guy gets, the guy, they utilize them very, very well for future purposes. What do you think that made Verydarkman what it is today? What do you think that brought him to Ramlight? Maybe because of a social issue, some people go carry and go to him inside prison, inside police cell. From there, the guy, they grow. The information where Verydarkman they get on daily basis, your local government chairman know they get them. If not, also you are House of Assembly member. Because people they carry matter go give Verydarkman for free. But a lot of us they pay money for information. And you get some information where be say if I see I might not go fit use my mouth talk am for this social media because of the person where they involve. But na only Verydarkman go fit talk am and nothing go happen. Una hear as he call out one politician where they give money for borehole. Verydarkman only give him 24 hours. You know these 24 hours, the man pay the money. You go feed do am. Una dey social media, they talk say the Verydarkman is envious of Harrison. Na him be the matter where they grand. Na him be the matter where they grand. Wetin concern envy or jealous in this matter? Eh? They worry some of you people. Wetin dey worry una? I no wan talk much o. Make we just dey watch to see wetin dey go on. But I can tell you, if okwu adịkwa etu afọ isi wee chie because of some things dị on ground and some things a na-akọ. Ị na-eme ihe for ndị mmadụ, ị need to transparent, ị need to sincere. Ọ bụkwara emere na ọfụ ha na-ene gị anya as if say na igbe fraud. A lot of our people on this social media are accused of one way or the other. A lot of them, they are matter there somewhere. But the why you are not hearing it on this social media is because they are begging. When the matter don't enter social media, many of them are agreed to pay. And they are paying slow. That's why you are not hearing their own matter on this social media. Ihe malo iwepụ ọnụ gị na ya. Ihe a matter of a Verydarkman and the envy or Verydarkman is jealous. This is not a matter of being jealous of Harrison. You understand what I'm saying? When you na cousin no fit na on social media. Ka na go na watch malagodu if you get pray out. Mana hey, so what